Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. We're out here at 360 Wraps in Dallas by DFW Airport. They just did a custom wrap on our Transit 150 for us. We had a Transit 150 medium roof extended length, so they just did a great job, designed a custom graphic for us, did exactly what we wanted. It's got all of our information, easy to find us on the road out there. So please let us know what you think down below in the comments. We'll include the contact information for Claire at 360 Wraps. She was a pleasure to work with. Their whole design team was great. They put everything together for us. They even put together a video. Their content creator did a little video for us so that we can have that coming up next. It showed their install process and did a great job. So enjoy the video. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.